Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to turn on child lock on Xiaomi instant hot water dispenser. So if you see there's not a lock on the right side at the display, all you need to do just click the one time and then click another time if you want to enable the lock. It should be back on after like 10 seconds if you click this button. We should just wait a bit. And it should actually pop up. Maybe I should try. We just need to wait a bit to see if it pops up. And as you see, it's already up. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.